Registered by 31st of March 2019. T's and C's apply. Visit nissan.co.uk. Nissan. Innovation that excites. What's the best thing about January? Snapping up a bargain in the sales, of course.
Hijack Brexit and steal the result of the referendum. Two cross-party groups are planning to table amendments in the could allow them to take control of parliamentary business. They want to prevent a no-deal Brexit. Of discussions with Theresa May unless he rules out no deal. The shadow Brexit Secretary, Sir Keir Starmer,
at DFS. Better be quick.
Hello, I'm Jeremy Clark.
Pianist and composer Alexis French and Waterfalls from his album Eva Luna.
Potentially mandate the government to seek an extension. That has infuriated Brexiteers, and this morning Liam Fox suggested some accounting.
His lovely walk and bright, shimmering face, I would rather see than all the chariots and armed men in Lydia.
Holiday with complimentary VIP chauffeur to and from the airport within 75 miles of your home. Book your perfect adventure. Visit hayesandjarvis.co.uk.
At the AA, we're always trying to make your journey better. Our mechanics fix 8 out of 10 cars at the roadside, usually within 30 minutes of arriving. You could say we're simply the best. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong song. Join today from just £5 a month. Visit the AA.